enshonga y'oburubwengu zo mushitongore kirukuhandika endangamuntu canira eresirwe kansara w'egombore ya Nyamarebe Samson Mugabe orukwetombuitwa kw'oburubwengu zo mushitongore eki ahabwitaje buriyo n'obusobazo buhereza.
In the registration process there is unintended trade tactics which is fueling corruption. Our people, you can't be registered in time unless you have right officers. That one is a very serious issue in my area, and I believe it could be also in other areas.
Oyihireho kwihasenta abantu nagira ngo hariho n'obutafayo mu kutasya amazina g'abantu na nebiruko bakwataho muri za kanyabwenje.
There is unseriousness in recording some people's names. The officials don't know that any error in somebody's name on the ID can affect all the documents you have. So they take it to be just as a game, and when it is the
Speaker w'ishengerere aragira bibyo kwerinda okora hanshonge jaho naho.
I don't know whether it is the same team. I don't know whether I called you or I called your colleague. There is a guy who is allegedly asking money from people. They have recorded him. He's paid to do that work. It is a serious concern.
District Security Committee, we got the complaints from community members. We sat and looked into it. We did what we could. Some of the leader members have been arrested, and those who are from Uchete, maybe you can witness.
Kanseji ehingwize mbarira yenyongesereze ya milioni 285.
The district council is obliged to approve all supplementary budgets. Mr. Speaker, sir, the district executive committee sitting on September 22nd, 2025 scrutinized this supplementary budget and recommended it for council's approval as below.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.